Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix network issue on your Samsung phone after installing a One UI update. So make sure to watch this video until the end. First, restart your phone. To do this, press and hold the power button and the volume down button for a few seconds. A few options will appear on the screen. Tap on restart. Then tap restart again to confirm. Your phone will automatically restart. Wait until it turns back on. Once your phone has restarted, open the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap General Management. After opening it, scroll down again and select Reset. In the Reset menu, you will see several reset options. Tap Reset Mobile Network Settings. Then tap Reset Settings. On some phone, the reset will happen immediately, while on other, you will need to confirm it by entering your PIN, password or pattern lock. This will reset your phone's network settings. Next, go back to the main settings menu and scroll down to the top. Tap Connection. Inside the connection menu, select Mobile Networks. Then scroll down and tap Network Mode. If your phone is currently set to 5G, try changing it to 4G preferred or LTE preferred. In many cases, simply changing the network mode can fix the issue. After that, scroll down and tap on Access Point Names APN. Once you are in there, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Reset to Default. Then tap Reset to confirm. This will restore the APN settings to their default value. After that, go back to the previous screen and tap on Network Operator. If selected automatically is turned on, turn it off and wait a few seconds. Your available network operator will appear. Select the operator that matches your SIM card. Hopefully, your network issue will now be resolved. If the problem still persists, it may be related to the software update itself. In that case, make sure your phone is running the latest software version. To check for updates, go back to the main settings menu again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Software Update. Then select Download and Install. Wait while your phone checks for update. If an update is available, install it. As you can see, my phone is already running the latest version including Android 16 and Samsung One UI 8.0. If you are still experiencing the same problem, remove your SIM card and insert it again. If your phone supports dual SIM card, try placing the SIM card in the other SIM slot and see if that resolves the issue. Finally, if none of these methods work, contact your mobile carrier's customer care or support center. If necessary, get a replacement SIM card as a damaged or faulty SIM can also cause network problems. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if they are facing the same issue. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and I will see you in the next video.